Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall WPS Office in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and search for apps. Either you can click on apps and features or add or remove programs. I'll just go with apps and features, and here we will be having search this list. Here just search for WPS. We'll be having WPS Office over here. Click it and click on uninstall. Select uninstall, and now we can go and delete some folders. So for that, just go to this PC, local disk C, and here we'll be having users, your system username, and here we'll be having view at the top, and check this hidden items. And as you can see, I'm having this WPS cloud files. We can simply delete this. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.